All right, I got a new product to try from Color Wow, so we're getting up close and personal to talk about it. See here? Those are what I call sparkles. You may refer to them as gray hairs. So I normally use something like this for a root touch-up, and if you don't love this, there's a lot of people that say it's too messy or it is too sticky or that they can't run their fingers through their hair after they apply something like this. So we're gonna see if this is any better, because this is a different application. This is not a spray. This is like, looks like eyeshadow. So I got it in shade dark brown, so we're gonna see if it covers up my sparkles. Who's got time to get their hair done as often as they should? Not me. All right. Winner, winner. Sparkles are blended. And let's just see. Can run my fingers through it. But it is not sticky. All right. I think I have a new root touch-up. So if you're not a fan of this, get yourself some of this. So I'm going to link it below for you. If you follow me, you know I've been extremely impressed with Color Wow's products just in general. So far, I really like their Shine products. I really like their Root Lift products. That's how I got so much volume in my hair today. But now, yeah, I guess I'd say I'm a fan of their powdered root touch-up color. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, like I said, I'll link it below. All right, have a great day.